You know, I have to do my little dance. Ooh, spicy. You enter. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate every one of you. Today is another cook with me video, guys. Today I'll be cooking banga soup. Yes, I'll be cooking banga soup. Right now, what I'll have to do first, I've already cooked my meat, okay? My meat are 90% ready, okay? Now I'm just going to dissolve this banga sauce with hot water, okay? Be careful, don't want it to splash on my clothes. I pour it inside this bowl. Okay, let me get my hot water, okay? Hot water is here. Let me get a cup. Oh la la. I'm just gonna take a cup. Oh, it's hot. You have to be careful. Okay. You know, miss, I said very well because you want the banga sauce to dissolve properly. The reason why we are doing this, in case if there's any residue in the bottom, you'll get rid of it, okay? Some people do use it like straight away like this. For me, I prefer dissolving my banga with hot water. Then I will strain. Okay, it's still hot. Okay, right now it's okay. I'll let it to settle down for a minute before I strain inside the pot that I will use to cook the soup. Okay, I'll be right back. I went ahead and strained the banga sauce into this pot that I will be using to cook the soup. I'll add my banga spice, okay? Then I cover it, allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's time for me to add my blended tomatoes, dry pepper, onions, and crayfish, okay? I'm just gonna pour it inside. I'll rinse it with a little warm water. Okay, set it together. Then I'll add dry fish. I've already washed the fish. Then I'll add in my stockfish fillet. Okay. Then I'm gonna add salt. I mean no seasoning, no seasoning and salt. Okay. Anyway, then I'll sprinkle some salt to it. Not too much, just a little. Okay, that will do. Stir it together. Then I'll let that to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes before I'll add in the rest of my meat. Okay, mind you, my meat is already cooked. Okay, I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, I will be back to wash this. All right, then let me quickly wash the dishes. Okay. Okay, guys, let's check on the soup. Okay. Okay, guys, let's check. Oh, smells so good. Smells so good. Okay, now I'm just going to pour in my meat. This is the meat I'll be using. I have to be very careful. I don't want to splash on me. Then I'll be adding my deboned tilapia fish. Okay, I went ahead and take out the bones. Okay, because tilapia fish they have too much bone. I just debone it and I'm just gonna add it to it. Okay. All right, guys. Ooh, smell is so good. I'll cover it. I like to be cooking. While it's cooking, I'll go ahead and cut my fresh spinach. Okay, I'll be adding spinach to this banga soup. Okay, let's go cut the spinach, okay? Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. Cutting my spinach. All right, guys. Time to add the spinach to it. I will stir gently. Let me taste for salt. Mm, need a little bit of salt. Okay, I'll cover it, allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then our soup is ready. All right, guys, let's check on the soup. Ooh, smells so good. Our soup is ready. Yummy, yummy. Soup is ready. All right, guys, I want to make starch. Okay, when it comes to banga, you have to use starch. Okay, starch or pounded yam or any swallow of your choice, but my favorite is starch. Okay. Whew. There's one thing about starch. You have to use your power. Ah, before you eat, you have to work very hard. Eh? You want to say hi? Oh, yeah. Faith want to say hi. Just say hi. Talk to them. Sis. Hi guys, this is Faith, the troublemaker. Are you troublemaker? No.
What are you making?
Stash. Bye. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
She's been wanting to come inside this video since. Now she's happy. Whew. Sash, don't be a metal. Alright guys, starch is ready. As you can see, it's ready. Alright guys, I'm done. I just want to eat this mustache, okay? Father, let this food in Jesus' name, cover of Jesus. As I eat this food, let this food nourish my body and soul in Jesus' name. Amen. Let's try it, guys. No, I have to do my little dance. Ooh, spicy. You enter.